Hey y'all! Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious blueberry muffins. So let's get right into the video. To make batter, start by adding 2 eggs into a bowl, including 1 cup of coconut sugar. Using a hand mixer, mix until batter has a smooth texture. Sift 2 cups of flour, including ground cinnamon and baking powder. Using a whisk, combine all dry ingredients. To make buttermilk, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 3/4 cup of milk. Using a hand mixer, mix until a frothy layer is formed on top. Add the blueberries to your batter, mix well, after which scoop batter into greased cupcake pan. So there we have it, blueberry muffins. Thanks for watching. Bye.